Hi there. Today we're going to talk about the amazing benefits of vitamin E for our skin and body. My name is Jaycee Lennox and I'm the owner and lead laser esthetician at Body TLC Lincoln. And Body TLC is a multi-award winning laser medispa in the heart of Lincoln, UK. As a medispa, we are ideally placed to help you with a range of concerns, and today's topic of concern is vitamin E. So what is vitamin E? Well, vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. And here are some of the ways that vitamin E can benefit us. So first, it's great for our skin. Vitamin E can help moisturize and nourish our skin, making it look healthier and more youthful. It can also help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and protect against sun damage. In fact, it's for those reasons that many skincare products contain vitamin E as the key ingredient. But vitamin E isn't just good for our skin. No, it also is great for our overall health. It can help boost our immune system, improve our vision, and even lower our risk of certain diseases. So studies have shown that vitamin E can help prevent heart disease, Alzheimer's disease, and even certain types of cancer. So how does vitamin E work? Well, as I mentioned earlier, it's a powerful antioxidant, and that means that it helps neutralize free radicals in our body. Free radicals are molecules that can damage our cells and contribute to aging and disease. So by neutralizing these free radicals, vitamin E helps protect our cells from harm and keeps us healthy. But that's not all, because vitamin E also has anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a natural response by our body to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can contribute to a variety of health problems. The vitamin E can help reduce inflammation in our body, which can help prevent or manage conditions like arthritis and asthma. In fact, many chronic pain-related conditions are impacted by inflammation within the body. So how can we get more vitamin E in our diet? Well, there are plenty of foods that are rich in this important nutrient. Nuts and seeds are great sources of vitamin E. You could try snacking on almonds, sunflower seeds, or hazelnuts. You've got leafy greens like spinach and kale. They're also very high in vitamin E, as are avocados and sweet potatoes. But if you're not getting enough from your diet for vitamin E, you may want to consider taking a supplement. Just be sure to check with your doctor first, because too much vitamin E can actually be harmful. So just make sure that you're not taking more than the recommended daily amount for your age and gender. So there you have it, the amazing benefits of vitamin E for our skin and body. Whether you're looking to improve your complexion or just boost your overall health, this powerful antioxidant is definitely worth adding to your daily routine. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. It's free but helps us grow, therefore helping us to bring you these free tips for healthier life and youthful complexion. And I'll see you next week for the next video. Take care. Bye.